What's good? I cannot hear you. At time. Why? Oh, you're deaf? Are you doing a YouTube video? No. Okay. Wait. If you deaf, then how can you hear me? You just can't talk? Alright. Look, you're doing a YouTube video. Alright. What? I know you playing. Where am I from? Minnesota. At time. You gonna come see me? In Minnesota? Ain't nothing here. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Where you from? Texas? Alright. Look at YouTube doing a YouTube video. Boy, no. Turn your camera around then. Do I like your body? Turn your camera around. You don't know how to? What your tattoo say? I can't hear you. What's wrong with you? Oh. Well, anyways, move your chain. They said dick for life. Do that say dick for life? I'm playing. You trying to fuck? Yeah, where you from? Yeah, I know what that is. You don't have to text me. I can't do it right. You cute though. I like your little Audi. Your Audi cute. I can never do that right. Give you sloppy toppy? When? You can text me, alright? What's my Snapchat? What's my phone number? Where am I from? Houston, Texas. Yeah. Where you from? Sorry. Oh shit, what is he saying? Hold on. Get closer. You from Texas? What part? Shit. I can't get it. No. B? Boston? O? R? B-R? B-R-Y? N? H? Wait. H. What's that?
A. Say that again. D. Shit! Oh my gosh, let me try to search this shit up. B-R. E-R-Y. B-R-Y. A. N. Shit. Power. Brazos. Brazos? How far is that? In Houston. Let's see. Let me get the location. Where the hell is Byron? Byron ISD. How far? There you go. I know I'm taking forever. Oh, that's an hour drive. An hour and 26 minutes. Damn, that's far. That's far. That's far. Yeah, huh? That's far. That's hella far. Wow. Yeah, an hour? Who the fuck gonna drive an hour? Not me. You ain't gonna drive no hour. No, you not. No, you is not. What's up, man? How old you is? How old you is? 1. You 19? Hold on, cause you 19? My stuff lagging. My stuff lagging. It's bad. Hey. Oh. Huh? Huh? He's dead. He's dead. Oh, he said he's dead. Okay. Bro, can you talk? Why? You can't. Are you deaf? You so can't? Why aren't you talking? Why not? Your vocal cords fell out. You're cute though. Huh? Yeah. Add time again. Time. Bro, we can hear you. Huh? Stop! I can't. Do it again. No, what you said. Why can't you talk? Use your voice. Why? I want to see if your voice is cute. He doesn't have a voice. You don't got a voice? Did you lose your voice? How? You suck dick? Are you gay? Bye. No. Can you talk? Can you talk? Are you gonna add time, or are we just gonna sit here and stare at each other, or? Oh.
Are we ugly? No? Yeah? Bro, you're weird. Oh. Oh, I want some people.
That's that dude off of Instagram.
Is he doing this on purpose?
Yeah.
Yeah, he doing it on purpose.
Anytime, yes. This shit is funny as fuck. Add me back.
You fine.
This shit be funny as fuck.
He's fine.
What's up?
Buffalo niggas can never. It's dead. You look good and.
Let him talk.
All right. Well, he's not saying anything. So, anyways, I don't know if you're doing this on purpose, but
No. That's how you be on Instagram.
yeah.
Oh, that's when he trying to exit out.
No. You are fun and you belong in my life. That's all I have to say. Very good.
That is weird.
Oh my god!
That's that fucking juice.
He needs to stop looking like that. Cause
He said, "Come here."
please no.
I'm not. He said, "Come here."
Oh!
I'm like,
You always trying to.
your breath.
No, he's still on the phone. Martin,
You can't open my phone.
Martin, you're aggravated. I really hate you for that, and I hope you die. Oh, he's still on the phone. Please don't hang up, Martin.
Oh my gosh.
Martin, are you not attracted to him or something?
I don't like that pretty boy.
You have TikTok?
He's acting like a pretty boy.
Instagram? I don't care what he acts like. He acted like he needs to be in my life. That's what he acting like. He need to go. You need to put some jeans on or
Follow
something.
me.
You need to tuck
He
it
got
out.
my coochie on hard.
What?
Yo, that. He got my coochie on hard. Move my crazy ass.
It looks like a baseball.
Did you want to sit there and just show your cock? Father, move.
You're my business? Yeah, don't do that. You see me.
Oh! You can't talk? Why not? Why? Somebody blackmail you or something? Me. What about me? How old am I? 15, I'm young.
Why y'all both just saying like that?
Because he asked me a question and I answered it and now he just... I could do that too. What we looking at? The bird chest, the tattoo, the arm, the little underwear, the fake chain. What we looking at? I'm just asking a question.
To the man and her shut up. Anyway, shut up. Hey, how you gonna tell me shut up and I just told you to shut up? You told me to end time. Well, I can't hear you. Follow him. He said he can't talk. What's up? You good? What? Nothing. Okay. Morning. When I woke up.
Wait, what?
What he saying?
Call you when I get off here? You can't hear me?
Yeah, he got the motherfucking deal.
You deaf?
I can hear your mouth moving. Just talk. Just talk. It's okay. It's okay to talk. I'm sorry. You trying to look cute.
No, yeah. Go ahead. Wait, so what was you saying? What is...
You motherfucker weird.
We're gonna do that? Alright. When?
I was showing this.
Christian.
Oh, Lord.
What's up? I'm a child of Jesus. Where you from? You don't speak English? You don't speak English?
You know they talked about me in this video. Listen.
Oh.
Shut up. Look. They said she liked my music. They talked about me and the girl.
Text me. Cut the music. Pop music quick to you. Hold up, y'all. Alright, huh? I like your body. Where you from? Can you talk? Oh, you so fine though. You cute. I'm saying you cute. Did I do that right? I don't even think I did that right. I don't know. Huh? Where I'm from? I'm from Virginia. Where you from? What, Florida? Where you from? Oh, we should take a pepper off. Texas? Oh, hi. You look good. You look good. You know what I'm saying? Take a pepper off. What's your name? Huh? How old am I? I'm too young. cute? Am I cute to you? Yeah, I am. Oh. You talk to anybody? You got a girlfriend? No? You talk to somebody? You don't know. Oh, I like you. I'll see. You alright? You okay? Am I boring? No. But, like, I'm Jamaica. Nice to meet you. I like your hair. This is my bald head, cuz. Bitch, don't yeah, that's my cousin. So, what you doing today? Oh, I need a pamper. Can you pamper? Nothing. You need a pamper. Why did you take your pamper off? Babe. What? The girl, you ain't say all that. Alright, but for real, what's wrong? You got a nose ring? Am I just like, no? Oh, you do? Oh, hi. You got a nose ring? That's what I'm talking about. I like me with nose rings. I like your tattoos. Okay, look at the body. Ooh, the body. It's the body for me.
I think it looks better now.
Bro, you can't talk. You for real? Put the pamper down. So, I still wait. What's your name? What's your name? Look, come on. Come here. Thug.
Why didn't he talk?
Hello? Shh. It's fucking loud.
Why doesn't he talk? Are you like? Well, he wouldn't be able to hear us if he was that. Oh. Hi.
Why?
What? What?
What's your name? Are you deaf? Okay, Daddy.
Oh, wow. You been in jail before?
Hey, what's up? You look rich. You look like Chopper. You. What? If. Or they. Oh my god.
Your bitch ass gonna do it any
Oh,
fucking
I'm not
way.
finna shoot you.
Damn. Bitch, I almost had a fucking seizure.
You must finish shutting your dick because you're in the bathroom. Shit. Might as fucking well. Gonna give us
This
that
punk ass
minute.
almost. Your punk ass almost made me have a seizure and ain't gonna say my bad or sorry or nothing.
Be quiet, camera shit. Ooh. Okay.
What the fuck? There. It's about to sign some shit to me.
I'm scared.
Is he not understanding what I'm trying to tell him?
What we quiet?
I'm trying to tell him. He told us to shut the fuck up. He looked like he'll slap.
I just don't know what was the moment?
Hello? I need my CarMax.
Yes. Probably. Hi. Why can't I hear you? You can't talk. Uh-oh. Is that chain real? Really? Period. Are you from Florida? Or where are you from? Why you look so sad? Something broke your heart? You look so sad. Why are you sad? Awkward silence. Look at my face. Why do I look like that? It's the wet ass pussy. Oh. Alright. Well, there's 8 seconds left, and bye. You too.